Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Gayatri's World Kitchen. It's apple season. My favorite time of the year is fall, and I love the apples we get at our local orchard close by in upstate New York. You can see that we have gone apple picking and have tons of great apples. They're going to get turned into applesauce, apple pies, apple crumble, all sorts of apple things, right? So I hope you like apples. Let me know if you do. I want to show you two must-have tools for apples. This is the Apple Wedger. I love the fact that it comes with a little blade cover so that you can store it easily. It's easy for kids to use. You know, great way to make up apples for lunch and snack. You saw how easy it was. I just put it on the apple and I rocked it side to side and it cored my apple as well as gave me all my apple slices. So there we go. My second favorite is this brand new apple corer. Very easy to use, very ergonomically correct. For those hands, you just hold it, you just put it all the way through and you pull it out. This little lever here, you just push it and that's going to open it up for you to get your core. That's it, easy peasy. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.